Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a custom notification layout. Open Android Studio and create a Remote Views XML with a text view for title and body. Use distinct IDs. Once done, pick your hex color, for example #FF4081, and target API 21 or higher. Make a notification channel first. Channels control visibility and importance. You must test on real device because some OEM skins alter appearance. Don't waste time on default styles. This is where you begin changing the text color. Now implement the remote views in your app code. Inflate the layout. Create remote views with your package and layout ID, then call remote views. Set text color R, ID, your text view color, parse color, #FF4081 to set the color. Next, build the notification with notification compat. Builder, attach the remote views using set custom content view and optionally set custom big content view for expanded form. Make sure you set a valid small icon and call notify on notification manager. Finish by posting the notification via notification manager. Notify with your built notification. Once done, verify the appearance across dark mode and different OEM skins because some manufacturers or Android versions may tweak colors. If the custom text color is ignored, make sure your remote views text uses set text color and that the layout background provides contrast. As a fallback, try notification compat. Builder, set color and set colorized true to tint elements. If problems persist, test a plain device. OEM sometimes override notification styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.